very big machine. The maximum capacity is to making 20 inch with a thickness 21.7 millimeters. This part is the deforming parts. This machine is automatic machine. When elbow finish, it's deforming from here. You can take a look. 看一下细节。Yeah, this is a drive by cylinder, and here it's a knife, a cutting knife, deformer knife. The structures like this. Yeah, and here, this is electric control inside. It's all driven by cylinder. You can see the red one is by cylinder. So here is the side of machine, a very big machine. The main structure is by 4 pieces of the big columns. Now you're seeing, so this is the after trial, and this is the pull and measure inside of the die. The die have the down piece and up piece. So here it's a big pushing cylinder. It provides a very heavy pushing force by this pushing cylinder. And the upper, you can see that's the motor, one motor. So on the opposite is have another 3 motors. The most upper, that's 2 cylinders, 2 hydraulic tank. So we prepare this ladder. We prepare this ladder to clamp on. This part. Yeah, you see this part. Yeah, this part is like this. Here are another motors, two plug motors. Okay, so this is our machine. Bye bye.